No, Xander. Look where the hole is, right there.
Oh, shoot. Yeah, look at that.
I'm sorry. This is my safe tree. I like this tree. I've only had one golf ball almost curve over this tree.
Really?
No one like this. I was hiding. Almost hit me.
Here, I'm gonna make this a video. Golfers shoot golf balls at us while fishing.
Gross.
Oh, he's on the water right here. Oh my goodness, they're shooting at us, dude.
Really?
Dude, they're hitting straight towards us.
Really?
I'm not even joking, dude. We gotta get out of the way.
Are you doing that for the video?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Dude, this is crazy.
I don't fake videos.
I don't either. I'm not even gonna. I was just messing with you.
Yeah, I don't fake videos. I'm 100% legit.
Yeah, you're not Guggen Squad.
I just got a 5-pounder, buddy. That thing's like 2 pounds. Don't even start talking.
Oh my goodness, this fish is huge. This is absolutely monster.
This is a
3 pounds.
world record.
3 pounds.
This is a real
3
record.
pounds. A world record 3-pounder.
Yeah, there's some water right here.
Oh, that ain't water, bud.
Oh, buddy. All right, we're done.
All right, good rinse.
Oh my gosh. Oh, my
Oh, did you see that? Do you see that thing?
Oh my gosh.
Did you just see that?
Oh my gosh, it turned on it.
That freaking monster, dude.
Dude, that's your PB.
I mean, honestly, anything over a pound is my PB.
That was a 4-pounder. Yeah, I can guarantee that was a 4-pounder.
Here, I'm gonna get over here just in case you have to set the hook. Do you see where he went?
Yeah, he went like that way.
Oh. That was huge.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I think so.
Hopefully that camera caught that.
I couldn't. No, you can't see into the water with these things.
That thing was at least 4.
Here, see if it's recording. The screen should be
Black.
on if it's recording.
What do you mean?
Is the screen on?
Yep. It's
Okay.
Recorded for 9 minutes.
Okay.
You're pretty good on battery. So.
Okay, good. I'm actually gonna go.
Any bites?
He actually caught one.
Oh, really?
I've caught 2 in this pond. One in another pond.
Friendly fire.
I'm sorry.
What's the size of it?
Anywhere from a pound to 5 pounds.
Oh.
It's amazing. They're still biting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
They'll bite all year. Yeah, they're just now waking up from their winter transition. I want black one. I want one of us black.
That would be awesome.
Dude,